In this digital age, one can say writing checks is a craft of the past. But if you are looking for a quick guide to write a check, you've come to the right spot. Begin with mentioning the date on the top right-hand corner. Remember, the check only stays valid till 3 months from the date of issue. Next, write the name of the person or organization you want to pay. Ensure that the name is as per their bank account. If you are writing a check for yourself, simply write "self" under the payee's name. In case you are writing a bearer check, write the word "bearer" or "cash" on the line beneath "pay." Write the amount on the left side. Ensure you mention the word "only" after the full amount. Add the same amount in numerals. Sign your name and use the same signature which you have used for other banking formalities. That's it. You have successfully written a check. Note: if you happen to make a spelling error, just neatly cross out the incorrect information and write the correct one above it. Stay on top of your finances with us. Subscribe to HDFC Bank. Tap on the bell icon for regular updates.